Hello guys. Good morning guys. So guys, this month is my birth month and I'm looking untidy, unkept. So right now I'm going to the salon to make my hair and I'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hello guys, so remember I told you guys I was going to make my hair. Yes, I'm done with the hair, so this is what my hair looks like. And yes, I used the Darling coily long. Let me show you guys what it looks like, so in case you want to get it, I used this Darling pre-curled, pre-treated coily braids. That's what I used in color 33, in case you want to also do yours. Yes guys, you'll be wondering why I'm in my copper uniform. I'm going for CDS. CDS simply means Community Development Service for coppers. So after that I'll be going for my friend's introduction, one of my very good OGs, her introduction. I'm also going to take you guys along the whole process, so stay with me guys. And please, if you haven't still subscribed yet, subscribe to my video, share, like, comment, all those good stuff to the video. Yeah, bye.
Said and done, it's okay baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. What you need, I gotta know. I gotta know right now. I gotta know right now. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. If it's you and me, it's what you need. I gotta know. got it now. I gotta know right now. I gotta know right now. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me, don't let me go. Why you make my heart beat faster when we get close? Just take my hand, baby, let's lose control. Even if it's a disaster, I gotta know. If it's you and me, hey, it's what you need, hey. I gotta know. I gotta know right now. I gotta know right now. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever. For now, let's run towards the sun. Think it'd be better if you don't let me, don't let me.
Gloria.
5806.
So hi my loves, I had to come out to this secluded place to make a video for you guys. So this clearance stuff is not easy at all. So I've gotten my number at the moment. You need to see the crowd in this place. So I've gotten my number. My number is 301. That means I'm going to sleep here today. But anyways, yes, I'm just going to wait and chill until it gets to my number. This is how we do our CDS every time. We come here, sit and wait and wait and wait before we get called to come in for clearance. Sometimes if you go in there for your thumb printing and maybe blood is not flowing in your fingers, you go back and wait till God knows when. So I just decided to give you guys an update on what is going on in our CDS environment. I'll show you guys some people that are just sitting down and also waiting too, like me. Yes guys, so if you're still watching this video, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and remember I love you with all my heart. And please help me to rate. Tell me if you like my hair or not, and if you're going to use the Darling coily braids, which color are you going to use? Bye. I'm sitting down here, everybody's just sitting for their turn. So guys, I'm done. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm done with my own clearance. It was not easy, but